In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted background noise using CapCut, a fantastic tool for video and audio editing. Whether you're working on a personal project or something more professional, managing background noise can make a world of difference in the overall quality of your production. Let's dive in and see how we can effectively clean up your audio. First, let's get started by opening CapCut and launching a new project. If you haven't already done so, download and install the program from the official CapCut website. Once you have the application open, create a new project by following the on-screen instructions. This step is crucial, as it sets the stage for all the editing tasks you'll be performing. Next, click on the audio or video clip in your timeline that has the unwanted background noise. This action is essential because we need to work directly on the specific section of your project that requires attention. By isolating the clip, we can apply noise reduction precisely where it's needed without affecting other parts of your project. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the panel containing various editing options. Click on the Audio tab to bring up all of the audio editing features that CapCut offers. This interface gives you access to tools designed to enhance your project's sound quality. Within the Audio tab, you'll see a toggle for noise reduction. Enable this toggle by clicking on it. Enabling noise reduction is a straightforward but pivotal step, as this function is designed to help you reduce or eliminate unwanted background sounds, like that annoying hum of a fan or background chatter that detracts from your main audio content. Once the noise reduction toggle is switched on, you'll notice a strength slider appear. This slider allows you to adjust the level of noise reduction being applied. It's similar to a volume control, but instead of lowering overall sound, it targets the unwanted noise. Carefully adjust this slider to find the balance where the noise is minimized, without sacrificing the quality of your main audio content. Sometimes a gentle reduction is all you need, while other times you might need to crank it up a bit more. Finally, it's critical to play back your audio clip to gauge the effectiveness of the noise reduction. Play it through to see how the adjustments are impacting the overall sound. If you find that the background sounds are still too prominent, or if your audio sounds overly processed, go back and fine-tune the slider until you're satisfied with the result. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the audio quality of your projects, making them more enjoyable and professional. Thank you for watching, and happy editing with CapCut.